In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Shopify Favicon not showing up in Google search. If your Shopify Favicon is not appearing in Google search, the first thing to check is whether the favicon has actually been added inside your Shopify theme settings. The favicon is the small icon that represents your store and browser tabs, bookmarks, and, when Google picks it up correctly, search results. It is a small detail, but it helps your store look more professional and recognizable when people find you online. To begin, open your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside your admin area, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You are going to go to Online Store, then select Themes. This is where Shopify keeps your current theme, along with any other themes you may have saved or installed. After you are on the Themes page, find the theme that is currently active on your store. This is usually shown near the top of the page. You should see a button labeled Customize. Click Customize to open the Shopify theme editor. This is the area where you can change the appearance of your storefront, including your logo, colors, layout, and other theme settings. Give the theme editor a moment to load. Depending on your internet connection and the size of your theme, it may take a few seconds. Once it opens, you will usually see a preview of your store in the main area of the screen, with editing options on the side. This is where you will make sure the favicon is set correctly. Next, look for the Theme Settings option. In many Shopify themes, this appears as a gear icon. Click the gear icon to open the general settings for your theme. These settings are different from editing a single page or section. Instead, they control design elements that can apply across your store, such as branding, typography, colors, and sometimes your logo and favicon. Inside Theme Settings, look for the Logo section. Click Logo to open the branding options related to your store logo and related visual assets. The exact layout can look slightly different depending on the theme you are using, but the important thing is to find the area where your logo settings are managed. Now scroll or look through the logo settings until you find the favicon section. This is the key part of the process. The favicon section is where Shopify allows you to upload the small icon that should represent your store. If this area is empty, that is likely why your favicon is not showing correctly in Google search or in browser tabs. Make sure an image is uploaded in the favicon section. If there is already an image there, check that it looks correct and that it is the icon you actually want associated with your store. If there is no image uploaded, use the upload option in that section to add your favicon image. The image should be clear, simple, and easy to recognize at a small size, since favicons appear very small in most places. Once the favicon image is present in the favicon section, Shopify has the information it needs to display your store icon through the theme. This is an important part of making sure search engines and browsers can identify the correct icon for your website. After confirming the image is uploaded, make sure your changes are saved. If Shopify gives you a save option, this ensures the favicon setting is applied to your live theme. Keep in mind that Google search does not always update favicons instantly. Even after everything is set correctly in Shopify, it can take some time for Google to recrawl your store and refresh the icon shown in search results. So to quickly recap, go to Online Store, then Themes, and open Customize for your active theme. From there, open Theme Settings using the gear icon, go to Logo, and check the favicon section. As long as a favicon image is uploaded there, your Shopify store is set up correctly for the favicon to appear. That covers everything you need to know.